when I they come on. I just a beg am say make you make blessing come for my top. Need a pen. I'm vagabond power. Need a pen.
The mid-morning show.
Independent say God they bless you. They find new ways just to break you. But they won't know who will connect you. You know they beg them food but they hate you. Say Nyamishira town for nebu food. Oh Baba God carry me. For my enemies them to see. Independent. I'm vagabond power. Independent. I'm vagabond power. Independent.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. You can take Kwabena Costy. I want to FM 93.3. Easy.
Me when you mad then I cool. Robi ati tremi ama me huni amenye me huni ameka me huni amefampo edreji bra me newa asam to me amenewa kiajewa adekolo. See the way I feel you, nobody feel change my mind.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Love no got you before. Love no got you before. Love no got you before.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
When I wake up in the morning, sick of you are the wrong things.
The mid-morning show.
See your face, they inspire me.
Have a blessed day.
When you're smiling, they tell me. They act like a fool anytime you are around me.
Have a blessed day.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. If you say Kwabena Costy, I want FM 93.3.
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your host, Carolina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Right, so yesterday was DJ Shabo's birthday, and Shabo is back on post. Yeah, that's right. Right, so don't let your struggle become your identity. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, midweek edition of Adwuma. And of course, I'm live on your super duper frequency 93.3 of FM. And it's exactly 24 minutes past the hour, and you tune into the best mid-morning. Yeah, the best mid-morning. I repeat, the best mid-morning. Here in the municipal. Folks, I trust you all doing good. It's Wednesday. We'll be saying so therefore. Alright, so once again, good morning to you all. And I welcome you to the best mid-morning, the midweek edition of Adwuma. My name has always been a Jenime champion boating cosmos as usual. Call me Kwabena Costy. Call me Jibruz Man. Call me Abrantipa, the perfect gentleman. And you already know I don't do this alone. Right, so with the help of my able producers, we say welcome. Right, so show produced by DJ Shabo. He's back on post. Yesterday was DJ Stylites. I don't know, yes, 70 out there, but today is DJ Shabo. So he's here. And now to point him on Facebook. Of course, you are the Podumans. Kwabena Costy, aka DJ Starlight. And La Bessin supporting us from the house. did the other. Right, so music on the background. It's from Rude Boy. One half of P Square. Because this one, audio money. In the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Antete, if you speak F1, break up point to me. And if you speak outside there, Fralaone, if you speak Rushi Quaitens and Maccordia, and if you do speak Fonty, me patrol home today. And the pen and my shot at the white a camera and I am some way. And I could start to be India. Sorry, no, me shot here. Me shot white to be a camera and I am Jimmy. And I'm a shot white in so. My fine boy, be a quick. Hey, some in your bad crowd. Right, so join me live on Facebook. I think kind of 3.3 of 5. Send in your messages and your birthday wishes as well. And I'll be glad to read them live on radio. So today happens to be my sister's birthday. Hey, Stephanie said you are watching. Today's her birthday. She comes next after me. She said, when you, so I don't want to call her my kid sister anymore. She's a grown ass. She's able to be friend of my kid sister. No, she's my kid sister. When you, she's past 25. She said, when you. So once again, happy birthday to you. Stephanie said you are watching. Obaya Papa B. You are watching, man. Two so you. Ah, one and one for say. My Papa B, I'm in your battle. Make our radio, so I did a responsible guy for my kid sister. Pebama Biano, the Suban Basasa Footy. On the audio money, baby. I want physical cash, physical money. Right, so send them messages through 0594-841-044.
Everybody reach for Instagram. Come and load it for Instagram. They call me like send a Mr. Living fake life with cheap data. They back by the money not just audio. They back by not just audio. Slow down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake life with a loca. Calm down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake life with a loca. They back by the money not just audio. They back by not just audio. They back by the money not just audio. They back by not just audio. You were the form giveaway. Your landlord they chase you away. Your family them you don't sideline. Oh they blow you they blow timeline.
The best morning show.
Too much money can be nothing. So turn down the volume of your radio audio. I can't the red your body they shot elele. Yeah, them they hail you. Oh who they slap you. Yeah. So slow down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake la vida loca. Calm down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake la vida loca. Them act by the money not just audio. Them act by not just audio. Them act by the money not just audio. Them act by not just audio. Who get here may they hear? They like them they show be here. They pick up the stones when nobody throw them. I'm with the mansion in the air. Slow down, my brother. Oh no, calm down, my sister. Cause the money the audio. I can't the red. Your body they shot elele. Yeah, them they hail you. Oh who they slap you. Yeah. slow down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake la vida loca.
Alright, so 30 minutes past the advent. DJ Shabo is back on post. And we're hitting bazaar. At the point, can you please put my sister on Facebook? Charlie make a front my sister small. Obana no one for say.
Be here.
So this one I posted here and what I mean, hey, I'm boys wrong.
My sister, cause the money na audio.
And I'm actually saying this because of you. So we tell them 17 make
They shot elele. Yeah.
I say Mr. Star one for say me.
Who did this slap?
And I'm saying, "Unim, sana life net here. Me na me di kan buy answer no over. Eti me na me can say me be pra kwan mu. Enti say no ho afa no kire say me ba no na kwan mu nya na me do mu. E no no nya no fo de fam simple ma kire. Sasa, I'm not reading your message. Wallahi talai, I'm not reading your message.
Instagram. Mama no day for Instagram. They call me like send a Mr. Living fake life with cheap data. Hey, Mac Mario. The money na just audio. Na audio. Hey, Mac Mario. Na just audio. Slow down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake la vida loca. Calm down. Why you want to kill yourself? Why you want by yourself? Living fake la vida.
KCV.
I like this. Stone boy.
Area.
Weaver.
Yeah, Ghana no be Jamaica. Fire. KCV. 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 I like this.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Weaver.
Yeah, Ghana no be Jamaica. Fire burn the enemy.
The mid-morning show.
Now I'm making a paper.
Have a blessed day.
Ojan show Babylon fool. Only young girls wanna ya we ya. But if you bad they under. Every day me gadget is a holiday. We dey do 'em every day where they insane. We as a movie I want a master. Obi ane master. But if you okra o master. Kennedy Japan o master. Me ya o master. If you shama tiye lusugan. Me ya o master. Nyama tiye lusukap. O master. Ghana Kosi Trinidad. Master. Oluwa be the only.
You see the difference, we say I am born to lead, where you are born to follow. I be mafia, yaron zongo, me a they do they follow. Pepe them be the shit up, they be a for as a mu as a winter. I'm a mabu mabu. Are you my co-equal? My love na okata fio aba chico. I'm a mabu mabu. Why you the disrespect? When you forgive respect, disobey you go fall instead. You for the real word and keep in check.
We as a movie I want a master. Obi ane master. But if you okra o master. Kennedy Japan o master. Me ya o master. If you shama tiye heart, me she a mappy, but I prefer your heart. Although no time about, so let me repair your heart. Give me a chance to wipe your tears. Come out all the advice you get from peers. Many love stories head in your ears.
Alright, so once again, happy belated birthday to DJ Shabo.
I promise I will be a better man.
And then Shabo, I don't know, say upon Codina, I can't tell.
In my motherland, I go love you the way you know go need an.
Meet me ready.
Yeah, guys, you know.
But I know Shabo traveling through. Shabo catch up is all coverage.
I go protect your heart.
But I heard,
Before I put down.
on the now UPSC.
Confess, I'll be here to lay your bed.
And Shabo, right now, what is a Shabo Castle Covenchi?
You come to mommy.
What is Okaza? Okay.
You confess.
And then Okra so Covenchi, but Okra.
Gonna show come to mommy.
But then UPSC campus, now the crowd call UPSC Hono. Me pana minimum.
You wanna get one of me, I made it up. You wanna be, I
I see ya there, I see all students in Yambra, my yard here.
I'm a trap friend of 3 times.
That was say as a UPS student in ya, Mama ya de campus. Me pa try am pana.
Necessary question.
One mo call UPS one test business here.
So my own nika check up.
Ya ka say Mama shade yan ra campus ana.
Important to trouble.
0594840444. Test the brand 0594841044.
Mami ne between.
Once again, happy belated birthday, come on DJ Shabu. And happy birthday going out to my sweet kid sister. But this is my kid sister, my sister. Stephanie said job what it. Yeah, what man. Yeah, papa. Oh no, you're not performing. So this morning, Jesus Ebert now, a for a month show so. And then Jesus was saying, I came on down Chroma, and that's what I said, then bring Central Hayano. People living with HIV. And so HIV, the virus, no. I'm over 1,000. So maybe I said, fortunate for me, maybe 2 Maybe 2 Jesus were. And I made play the man and say, yo, I'm not in your practice. I think I catch yourself. The likes of myself, DJ Nelson, Father, Kusi, and I to him. 1 year fair to the system, 1 year fair, my. You see, if people are living with HIV, and can me please say here, yes, stigmatize you, please, and come on, pet chip. Pendant be and be some phantom kum. You know, we can easily identify them. Snebe Balikake won't go near such people. Because what's about identify one? You
boy. You know what time it is. Boy. The nation. Yes.
I want more motivational message.
And Kasa.
I will give you my daily dose of motivation. I said I make out more for the serious. What is serious? Where that home brother say, where I am a humble plea now with the mama. It's me catch her. Why is a man fair to the system? Me say, you stigmatize you, bia. No. But last time when I came from France, me free Paris buy COVID the chip, you know. So, last year. Me, last year July. Paris. Yes, but unim, I'm with me crochet. It was not for be a to me on the idea. Stigmatizing. It's if I show me HIV, you will stigmatize anyone. Just identify them. What am I be been 2 months? Oh, for being 2 months, I'm come. Be said, oh, okay, so this fine lady is living with HIV. Oh, okay. Oh, Atopine is living with HIV. Oh, fine. Oh, you have a job also. Say, guys, also buy a home by Anderson. Shy. My nurse idea is here for Bedia. Me, I wish you were fair material. I say, Brim start driving this bar. I say, 1,000. I am, hey, Papa, check your figure. 100, there 1,000. I say, 1,000. Jesus Christ. Right, so stand up for something. Even if it means standing alone, because oftentimes the one who flies solo has the stronger wings. One was sending me sound, there's a few messages, and I met you when you come back. Mechanic hear me, I was it. It's a stand up something. Oh, sorry, stand up for something. Beg your pardon, stand up for something. Even if it means standing alone. Because oftentimes the one who flies solo has the strongest wings. I'm going to tough amount. Actually, I'm not paying person me training and say. I thought that some way in Pakobi, not more drink a dear be who some obey. And I said, also soon a dear be who saw obey. I am a who shadowing here as a winning the pebby soon. And I'll be cock Tom on him say, a dear way na my dream, Nankayani and the young woman. Only Mentia. Because sometimes all the nice opinion about among your group, over one person be woman, or because said the away no on pair. And now because idea now they are about Sabi a bogos, and Tianton Trim baby, my own fine year, Juma. And power when the bar no. Now, so idea no more utilizing. But me catch us and pay on. They won't call for me or Honoma. Omonkwa stood up on their own, yeah, Omonkwa. And an idea be a nipa be an gentleman. Omo yeah, and then nipa bring us some fast. And to me, so Ukuta idea be now catch her now for what catch group members almost ready your bogosa. I'm here to motivate you. The show cry and say, just stand out for that particular thing. Now, yeah, because sometimes when we are fly solo, no, they have the strongest wings and they are successful. Now, you used to Mark Zuckerberg as an example. The CEO of Facebook, then you name the story. So when our investing, he had this idea that or didn't penny about together. Communication will be very much easier for us. Or discuss it with a friend. Oboguye. Back Mark Nabembu. He stood alone on Onkwa. And now many Facebook or some faso. Yet Nahania no because of Bangladesh. Just yesterday night, and I want to say yesterday night, and you correct English on. So yesterday in the evening, I spoke to someone from Ukraine on Facebook video. Oh, idea be a obi bogu ya na ono ko anjira ho na oyeye no. Ni obi timi din come straight from Ukraine. It's me pacho. Sometimes adie bi a wo ye na bibi esi wo so na fofo ebu abemu ho no ma me ka bibi ncho menja sa de kro ni mu ye esbe ban fa so ma wo ama nipa na obu abemu so ebe ban fa so ma no so atopa hin body trinko makana yimpani ze atopa makanya nsa se mo sanete wonyi chemi ba ma adwumu do watch that year 16 years ba me ma adwumu do 42 minutes past out there. It's 2:20 to the best mid morning. I love radio, Charlie. I love radio.
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
Long time ago. Still can't believe
the mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
It was a mistake, but now I know. My am all dark query. My didn't say who na mama knew me who. Now I know your love was so divine. Wish I could feel reverse the 100 times.
Now another question of the day, me patrot here.
Still got love for you, that's the fact.
Send a file message for 0594 841044 0594 841044. The question of the day, Busa said, why na we celebrate crash? Yes, say the panotonium share or movie or ball or then just or celeb on Kwana say when you crash one as well. Just send them true from Mudimbra. Why? So, mama come there. Okay, so when I was young, I was crashing on Chika Ike. Oh, Nipakro. No, oh, Nipakro. Why the movie that now, sir? Chika Ike. She's a Nigerian. Some fair lady, bisa. When I was young, I used to watch. I used to watch Nigerian movie. So I was crashing on that woman. That time, I 14 years. I think she was about 28 years, and I was crashing on her. I couldn't imagine your papa. And after maybe I crash on even Okoro. My time command the Georgia and I just said who the movie can be me. Since I won my empathy for. So lately, Sisi and I'm crashing on two people in the industry. Minyoma will like to love you fan chobia. I will be to bring you. I love for you, that's the fact. My mom with the actual, but they can't find the number. 0594841044. So who is a celebrity crash? Who is a celebrity crash? Why now crash on? Who is that person? Right, so send them through 0594841044. 0594841044. Who is your celebrity crash? Your banner Bema. In fact, I saw a man or some crash on in Memano. Oh, yeah, Bema never crash on or Bema so hard man. Never pick on Madama Dampari. As you use your own gay girl, but also support you to Gruma. So send them through 0594841044. Who is on celebrity crash? I made a number here too. But okay, my mama back clue. The reason why I don't like Kiddy. The reason why I don't like Kiddy is because of that person. Let me pick Kiddy as 7 years. I don't know. Pick Kiddy as 7 years. And you Kiddy on your machine. I've met Kiddy once in my life. I didn't know it was at Lens premises. So I'm and I'm sure Kiddy. We have no problem, but the only problem I have with Kiddy is because of that person. It's Mama Crew back home. Happy baby, hey. I just said that 0594841044. My mama also on him. Bema be also be crash on this same person. I cannot say I'll block you. What mean test you can from bill. Mama fella back was say me pick the same because of that particular lady. Kid the man too much. I don't like that. If I see them together, I'm you be cry. I am pass out there no cry. So henceforth, Shabo, don't play Kiddy song on my show again. You hear me? Okay. And I'm saying, me call Sakodembra. Me call Mammy Grow around. Right, so send your messages to 0594841044. Who is on celebrity crash? Why are you crashing on? Even if I walk through the valley, or your footballer send the bra. I know the fear. Every day and there's this footballer I'm also crashing on. Or Ghana new battle, I think or Spain or yes, I so Spain. Even if I walk through the valley, your friend Ernestina. I team me who didn't boy. I team was there. How about come and see body. Hey, what those watches association? They're joining the museum for. Thomas almost sent me to the time. Oh, Papa. Charlie, the surround of permission in media. The first time there, no. The first name is Ernestina, but second name is I Timba or I some match a cab casual. To me, put your tema come. When they come for one of my Bob Pan, I'll show about Bob Panga. Oh, you're ready past still body Yazoo. Body no. I don't know your name. Hey, Baba.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Charlie radio be as on your just a kind. Radio no swire do, radio no swire there. I'm my jail about clinics of the country. Such a what I'll grow out there. The only help back clinic. I'm too awesome. I'm too tight for that. Say menstrual problem. Minya mano. You can't menstrual problem, but no be a machine. Because Bosume na ya TED. Obi aya se win san me poacho Kwabena ba clinic na yambo na yentu sa ya rena sen fama gonorrhea, diabetes, kidney problem, even to us ya offense infertility enye dua boba tenye Michelle Kwabena ni yentu ya re kitikiti bi asen fama amaje se bia woni mobi odofo bi wadanfo bi wofo bi wunua bi ya rena no adin to the stand say want to me for drop impo and buy your premises or say ya frɛ wom omo betam omo fidie nyina ndaba wo fie abehwew etu ya rena se de ama o amaje wa che modan Red Cross Junction opposite Kenal Pharmacy. And I heard them Makwachi. Red Cross Junction opposite the Fele Gas. Gas filling station. I'm a J Junction. If you have been Kwamo, we have to put heat. I didn't know. I've been Kwamo Junction. On the man I'm a J. Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station. I'm a patch of fresh 0248 77840. 02487780 that's 0205045665. Our J Clinic. Or say why I receive fee. If you are say I rap papa, no one am a J. I'm a J. Freaky Funky Friday. Me patrol make a date. I in 93.3 of right after Brimpona Mutu on the Fridays. Let's shot DJ Thozik all the way from Peace FM, the Ship House. That's not enough. You are hosting Freaky Funky Friday. We sure the gloomy rappers, singers, DJs, yeah, there because rap battles are also one would see a pen and more who them person channel. That's a VJ Thozik Jenna Kunya. It's all about good music. And you make sure he brings in the best MCs. No more says for the right, so right after Brimpona Mutu every Friday, piano. DJ Thozik, show produced by myself and DJ Nelson. Of course, John Les starts the weekend on Friday. Because hey, it's a night party on radio.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, this one says, hi, Kwabena, good morning. How are you doing? My name is Jennifer. From Akem, Jamaica. I'm crashing on John Dumelo. Efo John, you are crashing on Efo John and Jennifer. Hey. Right, so I'm trying very hard to not read some of your messages because people are crashing on my crash. I got fire battle. Just some your mom grill this is young man who background. These guys are not correct at all. How can you crash on my crash? Obaya, me I'll hate you too. You see how me I hate kitty? Yo. This one says Adwuma with some fire emoji. Or see the in the day Kukua, okay. Kukua says, Kwabena, can you please tell me the name of the person you are crashing on? And why do you hate Kiddy? Oh, I just told you. So I have no problem with Kiddy. But I hate him because he's always around my crush. And I hate seeing that. I hate seeing that guy around my crush. Say baba. Atopa, come and check the phone for me. Atopa. Hey, Atopa. Hey. Hey. Be check your phone, mommy. Wait. Ready? Check your mommy, sis. Yeah. What then? No, Kobe, yana. Sasa says, I'll be blogger, Nanka. You have given me a free news. Sorry, you have given me free news. I beg your pardon. Hey. Oh, but Sasa says, I'm being real. I'm being very real. That lady, you see, actually met her through Nakogo, formerly of Ochimaya Fell. That time, I think now, or no, cause some reality show be. Was it Stars of the Future? Anna. Yeah, I think it was some reality show. Once I seen so, my body. My body. My body back home. Still akabago. I'm also okay since my mama couldn't there, my mama couldn't so clue. So the other person, she's a veteran, and then she signed on to one business guru record label. Nippon or a musician, but I was a business guru. Recently, on the ex-girlfriend be sex tape by the ex-girlfriend is the American politician. On the American politician being an airtrain brand on the sex tape with PA. Some man asked some American was signing a barrier, she's the vegetarian. Come back, vegetarian. Alright, so she's a vegetarian. I beg your pardon. Now, recently, we releasing a movie about 2 months or 3 months ago. And you're gonna boss up or be out to new movie. And you're gonna was a Nkofo Yeze. One show Facebook was Nkofo Yeze. One back row. Say Baba.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
My son comes and says, "You see the view." I don't like how people want to attack me, all because it didn't be a boy. Man, bunny ye cry. Success of work. Success is a crash for you. Don't pay. Big body. So you don't pay. Oh boy. What a slim girl, what's it? What a slim girl. Ni your friend has it on higher day. And you like the whole place, this side. I bought your crown, I'm friend, and I bought your crown. My man didn't show na search picture for to Facebook. Best search it, bra. Best search it to Facebook, mommy. Now bought your crown, I'm friend. Hey, with him, you come break, but my man to pan handy. I'm moving the pictures at Toso. Back on the day, you didn't buy free man, yeah, me body. So the first one is Senaso. And I hate Kiddy because he's always around Senaso. I hate that. Nah, for real, child, I'm being real. Senaso, they haven't kind of come in about you know. Oh, sorry, and the second person, me see, Oya Igbeni. She's a veteran, yeah. And they are signing on to a record label B. Now, nipa no signing no. The more do, Oya Koko. Oko SS LPJ. And I know any American politician be Trump now. And I'm not be leaky. Was signing by your eye Benino. I buy us and say, ya, Numbi, but 2-3 months in any Numbi by San no. I want Uncle Easy. Oh, easy. One show Facebook woman who was on Uncle Easy. Aha. Sabayano. Saturday you cry, yeah. Ascocom, our the background so. No, no, a chamine ne. A chance for the Diasano. I know. Sabo my twire, I want. Hey, man, what you move ya? Man, what you move ya? Police boy, what you make? I try on right about messages in Bebrana about right. So, I'm kind of enough friend. One join me so Facebook, yeah. I'm not paying their pictures be good no way. But before medical bomb the answer. So, my members is here.
Eja mi nta adwuma
meje so bro opening kwantabisa
eja we de anya mani son na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made video kafukafo abomachi a mo petepete mkoko yi sui ene na su biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko yi su agu nanso da bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yi su afa
eya ben wo nua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no onedi abebesere nokure wo mni se enura wodo e wodwa so no nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omukɔ nakranda entize wugu pɛ enye omohwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
de wo kan ye nokure sanse entesa enka emma ne sei da
akateken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro dini ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum
akateken wa mama koma tomiyem
okuani bi a opese obo no koko ho ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi bi nto akateken eye koko nrumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na dia bedwa so ba bia yeto okua ye hunro bia wo benya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homan 0240897074 and 0243639920 akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema yemre wo mpem pa o
menua kawakoma to yem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na wasanete ede amawo
se sei krampo na mefre dware bana so me ho keka me te se zongola chichi ena achimi o
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayemre udane weni ede kire amaje herbal clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan apoabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244877840 anase 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa
Anobites ye aduro bi ana misisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
maduro no aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle ti sei me ne yiri da be 30 minutes nti maduro no de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mesa e to anobites e kono me
ase ntisi ye ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka tere wo bi o no anobites say me ya to papa e be boa na ma me yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bites e na ano heba capsules enura yu ko tobi atoni mienuru ebom ubanya biato e wo achemoda ha ochini ba drugstore e na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bites ano bites
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Puno Atoho Ama Board of Directors and the entire school management. Etunsa Ede Afre Obibiara say Ebreno Asun say ye fat next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses nina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewa station Pia Wope Ube Wieno na ukra professional diploma Ubet Media Ye Juma Ewa Ghana any amano nina. Ya wonkoko Eko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enuntino Sauba, Ushia experienced presenters are Omufi Free Media Houses are Hoodwom Ewa Omaigan and Munina, and some Trajumana from Bia Opayano. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs Nibia, Fraying Ewa 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Yes, wedding cooling. And you know my, I need just some no bedu. Frempon Enterprise, a Jumera, or Sibronyan, or Manaya or the Minia, we anya akradio, Nelson Bibia Obato, a free Frempon Enterprise, a free sabre, and a copim Sebroyan Becamono, who the Achania Shonko Crane Becofi, Annie, and the Chinia Bienio, Sir Achimada, and an important radie, who pay super more, and in Yoma Bo at Dafodia, and one Frempon Enterprise, in Tisayamo, a citrate, milk, detergents, toiletries, just a provisions in Bia Open, one subacast, Nasawuye engagement, program Bia Oyeno, Sawuya Insa, Doko dear, announcer champagne, communion wine, Ninaye, wholesale price. So beton the offering Bon Enterprise, Bamponsem, a tight, Chronosembianiho, Frempon Enterprise, a Jume Ranono, Monia, Nachi Anga Jaquine, or Achimodan, or Mandarina Hotel, or the Achimdan Station entrance, and a Yanuche, Samson and a drink depot, no, our Mandarina, any PPP office, Abansurono, and Tamupe, only a Jume Rock and Casawa Homeiso, 0244 897 525 0242 111 236. Frempon Enterprise, Anna, still a Jume Rock with deeper panache. Jesus Narbano.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to form friend 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asaya.
Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20, and I'm a Fia Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A J.A. Pinding and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampun our home, me do so talk one, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pison and answer what then your men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Dear Badina, I will rap to be easy.
Eya Kashanoa, Namidia to up will be brain in us, and Nubia, Papa Patas soon as so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Nampila, who our Wobia will fear heavy.
Meditawo, Eya J.A. Piney snake reparent, Namidia to my sessan.
Hey, and no more near my papa.
Finally, Chris open and say, what did you, Madama, who was saying, I and one swan, I'm the one Chelsea when you're not that.
And you're with you, media dance at Chalaman, and fun no more.
J.A. Woman, your mano, Ubenya Biato Kumase, Takra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane and Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animal Shed. So Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya be a Wakasua, Winiba Road, a Wakasana factory no SCA. Mamma number, Namfan Coin, no from 0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medovo, now so Mudini body say.
J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Me drew Hosesia.
A
Jamo building contractor for dear a yana mani brimu. If you say a bus cement, iron rods, any blocks I did see a dynamo. Mother said Jamo Freya near the factory, straight near the Abraham
factory. Then I want to Quasi distribution agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo, Sa Quasi distribution agency for you?
Achieve done in bottom hardy will be a will see done, and now wire construction beer, Ecofan cement, and an iron rods, every Quasi distribution agency. And see, and your factory one I know the Bramo. A factory, the contractor who ram in Quasi distribution agency, and also prime cement, iron rods, blocks, size beer, and Adwuma binding wires, pavement blocks, and your dancing who Yaman Kayana. And it is a woman I am a digu one track in the Breway. Achimo Dani Eastern region and Kaya Hadie will be a Kofan cement, iron rods, a free Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan.
Sir, Cyber Dini Mami Bio,
Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan.
Monsieur Fiti Necro, a den bia Missino, a Chim Dani Eastern Region Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi distribution agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo Bay MTN, and a telephone numbers in Sua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quasi distribution agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanawa Necro.
Now what to say? Adama West African for asa Kenya wo hubio. Edi trivo, edra, ekuma ate, akate, koko ntontom. Ene mo ahodoa edi koko nya, ne se koko abre kuafo. Menu jai adansi ya koko kuafo di for trivo ho nya agro. Kuafo nyina ebo se kire se. Trivo kumwa mo ane sa. Ma koko no ho tono na aso doso. Enti ama koko kuafo botom ayede. Na nika sam ne se, yemfa trivo bebre. Kakra bi, wo di atwa 10 miles. Nefa go moto bro no mu na fele nefa bo koko no bosome bia Trevor kum koko muamu no se kum nkosua nyina na eye adwuma basa hare so se so bo Trevor woni ewo koko mu kra guys say koko board for ahwehwem age atum se Trevor eye do papa ye de kum koko muamu nyina so obi pe bi ato a onko agrochemical shop bia e ben no nchen na so open dodo atu aton so a onfre Adama West African for ewo 0544 343532 and a 0544 348821 and a 0544 325030.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
iHypemusic.com.
Hey. Chachale shi onga epae hey chachale shi onga epae
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Say baba.
The Mid-Morning Show.